Hello my people, there's this thing that we've been enjoying this summer and I can't wait to share it with you. In fact, I'm very hungry. I've not had anything today. It's almost 2 p.m. I'm very hungry, so this is going to be so fast, you won't believe it. Yeah, I want to prepare it now because that's the only thing that is hungering me. So let's go. Let me show you the ingredients. It's so easy to make, so quick, so you will enjoy it. You and your kids, if you have children, will enjoy this holiday. In fact, whenever they ask you for anything, like any snack, just prepare it sharp and give it to them. They will love it. You will love it. Let's go. I'm checking for my ingredients to make sure that I brought out one of the ingredients. Here are the ingredients I will use. This is a wrap. You can buy this from any of those foreign supermarkets in Nigeria. Beef mince. I've shown you how to grind beef mince in your home using that my chopper. You can find the link to it in the description box below. If you don't have that, you can tell butchers to do for you in the market. I've shown this several times in my videos. Onions, vegetable oil, thyme, salt, plain flour or baking flour, Irish potato, carrots. This is cheese. Yeah, emmental cheese. Yeah, or glazing cheese and seasoning cubes. Let's go. Rest of the ingredients are prepped already. You only need to rinse these ones and chop them up. I'm going to show you 3 ways to make this so that anyone you have, any gadget you have, you can use it. I want you to try this by all means. So I'm going to show you 3 good ways to make it. So stay with me, guys. Stay with me. This is the flour. Just mix it with water. A little bit of oil. When it heats up, add the onions. Fry for a bit. Add the beef mince. Fry it fast. Separating it at the same time so that it doesn't clump up. While doing that, add the seasoning cubes. If you are in the USA, Canada, Spain, France, Italy, Ireland, and Belgium, please don't forget to download SendWave and use it to send money to Nigeria so that the Nigeria will follow you and enjoy this snack. Inugo, there is joy in sharing. Use my promo code FLO to get $10 or €10 added to your first transfer. That's my own contribution towards ensuring that everyone enjoys this easy snack. Comment below to let me know if you blessed somebody with this snack. Add thyme and a little bit of salt. Remember that the seasoning cubes contain salt. And add the carrots and the Irish potatoes. You can add all these in any quantity you want, to be honest. You can decide not to add carrots and Irish potatoes, however you want to. Add some water to cook the Irish potato. It cooks in no time because it's diced. Should be done by now. Just cook for 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So I forgot to say, add just enough water such that by the time the Irish potato is done, you won't have too much water in here. stir that and add this flour. Please don't underrate this flour because it adds a lot of taste to this thing. Yeah, you may think, oh, it's ordinary flour. No. It adds taste to this. The taste changes, and another job it does is to thicken it like this. You want something thick like this. Okay. Then set that aside to cool down a bit. You don't want it piping hot when you use it. So to make that, the first method is frying pan. Everybody has a frying pan, right? So you put this here. You can put some oil if you want. Use butter. You can call this one frying pan meat pie. The cheese will gum it together because cheese, when heated, melts. Oh, I've broken it too. So heating it up, it's gumming together with the cheese. I don't really know what else you can use apart from cheese. Cheese works really well. Maybe you can try eggs, but yeah. But maybe with eggs, you have to be really fast when sealing it because eggs can cake really fast. See? Continue to press down to make sure it doesn't open. So once the sides of the outside of the wrap cakes browns, not cakes, see, it's done. You can make as many as you want, but let's move on to the next one. Here I have two gadgets. I have this grill and I have a sandwich toaster. Roast this in the frying pan before making it. While roasting it, make sure you don't overheat it so that it doesn't dry up, because if it dries up you can't fold it. Okay, so now some cheese, put some here. Remember, it's the gum. Cover. This one's stuck here. See another one. The third one with a sandwich toaster. You must have at least one of these three, right? I can hear koto koto koto. I actually forgot to add what do you call it, cheese to this one, but yeah, should be fine. While this one is boiling koto koto koto, then let's taste. Mmm. 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 Yum, yum, yum. Wait, let's see what that one looks like. Mm, 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 mm. Come and take. Come and see this one. Come and see the one. Come and take. Come and take. Come and take. You need to bend down. You know you're too tall now.
I know, but
what is it like?
meat pie.
It's like meat pie. Is it tasty or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Why?
Because it's basically meat pie this thing. So.
Basically meat pie. So he's doing his face like that because he's like, Mommy, are you asking me if meat pie is tasty?
Basically.
Meat pie is his best snack, yeah? Okay, let's see what the other one looks like before it burns. Ta-nam! Look at that! Have you liked this video yet? Woo! Have you? It did really well in spite of the cheese. So now you know you don't need cheese if you're going to make this one. So just look at. You just cut off this part and
It doesn't really taste like meat pie. It tastes better than meat pie.
Now it tastes better than meat pie. Now you've had time to savor it.
Yes.
You've had time to savor it now, and it tastes. He said that it tastes better than meat pie. So you can use this one to cut it.
I think these two pieces.
Look at that melody. Ooh. Come see, eat one at a time now. It's Ned not eating. We must taste them all. Look at that. Ooh, this is my favorite. You know, anything made in a sandwich toaster is always so cute. Look at. Ooh. Let's open. Ta-na. Ooh. Talk. Oh. Very yummy. Now you don't have an excuse for not making meat pie. I've shown you all the different ways to make meat pie in the world with different gadgets. Even if you don't have an oven, a way with an oven now, can use your frying pan. It works. Ooh.
I'm taking this, okay?
This boy. It's because of him that my meat pie does not last in this house. Make 20 meat pies today. In 3 days' time, you'll be looking for it. And these ones, they're not a waste, eh? Can use this, cut it, and use it to scoop, some filling. Yummy. Can't talk at the chopper. I know some of you will be watching and saying, Flo, anyone is talking at the chop. Anyone is tastier than the other. but you will not comment. We will think it in your head and laugh, and you will not comment. Comment now. Wetin we go do for you? Are we going to do a sacrifice for you? God of YouTube, before you come and comment. You guys know that I love you all.